Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Live review. Today we'll be doing a long-term review of this keyboard that you see right here. This is the Evofox Katana. So this is a mechanical keyboard and I've been using this for the past 1.5 year, almost 2 years. So this is a mechanical keyboard and this has Otemu blue switches. Let me show you. So as you can see, Otemu blue switches, and again, okay. So I've been using this extensively for gaming. I have another keyboard that is the that is the Cosmic Byte CBGK16 that we see here. So the Cosmic Byte, I'm using this for my official purposes. So I do my coding work on this, and the Evofox I use for gaming on my Legion laptop. So let me tell you how it is. It's fine. Not as clicky as the CBGK16, even if both are Otemu Blue switches, and it does the work. Yeah, but there are a few problems. A few of the LEDs are not working anymore. As you can see, the S is not working, but that is just the light. It registers, so when I press S, it will register, but the LED is gone. Even if I change the modes of this, it does not turn on. Similarly, the G is gone. As you can see, the G is not lighted, the U is not lighted, and apart from that, let me see any other keys. No, the rest are all working, but these are not, the LEDs of these have gone bad. So I expect in the next few days or months more LEDs will go bad. So that should not happen on a mechanical keyboard. As you know, this one costs around 1500 or something like that. I think right now this cost even less, but anyways, even if you pay less for this, it looks bad. The LEDs should not go wrong. In that case, I really like the CPGK16. All of the LEDs are properly working. It registers well, and it is as clicky as it was the day I bought this. But yeah, even the clickiness of this has decreased. It's not as clicky as earlier. So yeah, overall, my recommendation, I would recommend CBGK 16 over this. This is a full size keyboard. But yeah, so that was my 2 year review on the Evofox Katana. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I will answer each and every one of you. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.